Ilocos Ltd is a third-party logistics or 3PL company that handles finished goods belonging to XYZ Ltd. The type of goods handled is fast-moving consumer goods or FMCG. Warehouses are required to process the storage and flow of goods quickly and precisely. If there is a delay, then the consumer will feel uncomfortable with the related product and threaten it to move to another product. Consumers are in desperate need of fast-moving consumer goods because they will be used periodically by the majority of consumers. The total rack capacity is 1,296 positioned pallets, consisting of 1,152 slots. Items are stored in the pallet form on the shelf, and each rack has a height of 3 levels. There are 23 types of goods stored with one type of product characteristics. For inbound and outbound processes, this warehouse has one entrance and one exit door. The warehouse also has staging area for inbound and outbound activities with an area of 6,522.88 meters squared. As a 3PL company, Ilocos Ltd has its own KPIs in the inbound and outbound process. From the data of the last 9 months, Ilocos Ltd has not yet reached the planned KPI target. The aspect that has not reached the target is the speed of time in the process of putting away searching. In the process of putting away searching, the length of time is 295 seconds for each pallet. Officially, this can cause delays and domino effects on later processes. In addition, the existing layout is still not able to accommodate the entire item. Therefore, we do improvement with the aim of eliminating the process of putting away searching. Analysis performed using FSN analysis method. Based on inbound and outbound data in the last 1 year, we can determine the number of additional pallets that need to be added in order for the stored goods to be fulfilled. In addition, we also change the flow process of inbound and outbound activities. In the calculation with FSN analysis method, it was obtained that there needs to be an additional racks of 5 pieces, but we rounded it up to 6 extra pieces. In addition, our staging area layout is divided into staging areas for inbound and staging areas for outbound. This is in anticipation of the exchange between inbound and outbound goods. So let's take a look at the inbound process. The process of sending lists of goods by the transporter to the taker can be accelerated by the way the ABC company sends the list of goods to be sent to the warehouse operator. Then the warehouse operator gives the list of goods to the taker. This process can speed up the taker in the process of taking the goods. With the operator knowing in advance related to the list of goods that will enter the warehouse, the operator can directly inform the warehouse admin. The warehouse admin directly input and provide information slot layout code that must be filled goods to the warehouse operator. With that in mind, warehouse operators do not need to look for empty slots. With the layout change, the process of putting away searching becomes known, and the checking process can be done in shorter time. The proposed layout and business process changes can provide a solution that will improve the cycle time of each process in the warehouse. The new layout will also provide access for material handling equipment to move not too far to rotate between slots due to the increasing number of aisles. The change in the location of the staging area, which is divided into 2, makes placing new items coming and going to leave the warehouse easier in the data collection process and avoiding the risk of goods being exchanged. To obtain specification data from the time is taken, it is better if there is an additional information about the specification of the material handling equipment used so that you can calculate how much improvement was made.